Join me as I dive into the timeless romance of the Titanic and see if it still captivates us today. Can I find out what makes it so unforgettable? The Titanic, a ship of dreams, has become an eternal symbol of romance and tragedy. Its story has been etched in our collective memory, and its influence can still be seen in modern culture and relationships. From films and books to music and art, the Titanic's legacy continues to inspire creators and captivate audiences. Capturing the essence of Titanic's romance in today's fast-paced world is a challenge. We're constantly bombarded with information, and our attention spans are shorter than ever. But despite this, the Titanic's love story remains a beacon of hope and passion. It's a reminder that true love can conquer all, even in the face of adversity. The question is, does it still resonate with contemporary audiences? I think it's safe to say that the Titanic's romance has become a part of our shared cultural heritage, and its themes of love, loss, and tragedy continue to evoke strong emotions. The film's portrayal of Jack and Rose's love story is a big part of its enduring appeal. Who can forget the iconic scenes of them standing on the bow of the ship, or the heart-wrenching moment when Jack dies in the icy waters? These moments have become ingrained in our popular culture, and they continue to inspire new generations of romantics. But what's often overlooked is the historical context of the ship's maiden voyage. The Titanic was a symbol of luxury and excess, and its tragic fate served as a wake-up call for the world. The ship was on its way to America, carrying over 2,000 passengers from all walks of life. Among them were couples who had been married for years, as well as newlyweds who were starting their lives together. The Titanic's tragic fate has become a part of our collective memory, and its love story continues to captivate audiences. The real-life love stories of the passengers, such as Ida and Isidor Straus, who died together in each other's arms, are a testament to the enduring power of love. The most memorable romantic moments from the Titanic narrative are those that evoke strong emotions. Who can forget the way Jack and Rose looked at each other, or the way they made each other feel? These moments are etched in our memories, and they continue to inspire us to this day. They remind us that true love is worth fighting for, and that it can conquer even death itself. The love story of the Titanic transcends time, and it continues to captivate audiences. It's a reminder that true love is a universal language, and that it can evoke strong emotions in people from all walks of life. Its place in our collective memory is secure, and it will continue to inspire future generations. If you're a fan of classic films, or if you just love a good romance, I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Titanic's romance in the comments. What do you think makes it so unforgettable? Let me know, and be sure to check out my other videos on classic films.